it's probably the most impressive woodworking show that I regularly go to. I've been coming for probably 14 years.
We're a manufacturer of CNC routers. The company's headquarters is in Burlington, Ontario. That's where we're manufacturing the Axis CNC routers. We've been in this business for 15 years and distributing machines worldwide with, of course, an emphasis in North America.
$2,500 in kitchen accessories. Before you draw this, though, let's go to the sample.
The name of the company is Wintersteiger. We are actually an Austrian company. We manufacture our products in Austria. We have the head office for the North American market in Salt Lake City. And we are manufacturing machines which are used to cut the block of wood into thin lamellas. The show is always important to us. We always get to see, of course, our existing customers, but then also many times we see potential new customers. And it is a very specialty product what we have there, so every new contact we can get at the show is important to us.